Hi everybody, this is Vishishta Banerjee from Zemote Home Automation, and today I'm going to give you a small virtual demo on all of our products. So Zemote was started by an IIT Bombay alumni, Mr. Devansh Sharma, 6 years back, and he made sure that all of the comfort and security is provided to the customers by one single tap on the app and by voice commands through Google or Alexa. So like I mentioned before, let's start with the basic, and I can show you how with one tap you can turn off the lights and turn it on, like, and you can turn it off as well. So now you can change the intensity of lights too, like right now you can see the light and I can change the intensity of it. Exercise control is possible only because of patented Zemote Devices technology, which allows us to create our own custom drivers for your lights. So if you have profile lights in your house, you can control that as well with this. The intensity of it. Now if you have RGB light in your house, you can change the color and intensity of it, as you can see. So this covers every lighting aspect of your smart home. Now just by one tap, as I did with lights, we can do it with fan too. We can control its speed and we can turn it off or turn it on. I've turned on the fan and it's on full speed. Now if I want to control the speed, I can easily do it by the Zemote app. Just like this. So as you saw that I actually control the speed of it and turn it on, turn it off by the app. Now you can see there is a curtain behind me. Now if you want to open it or close it, half open it, that doesn't matter. You can do it with the Zemote app. Like I'm going to open it right now. So now if you want to partially close it, we can do that. You can do that too, just like this. And just like that, you can control your vertical blinds and projector screens at your home. So all this is possible because of the Zemote modules placed behind your existing switches, so that you can control all of your appliances at your home from anywhere in the world. Moving on, you can control all of your IR-based devices at your home, like TV, AC, home theater, through Zemote app too. Like starting from the TV, I'm going to show you. So one of the best USPs that Zemote has is you can control your DTH channels, shows, you can schedule them however you like with Zemote app. Same way through the Zemote app, you can control the music input and volume through the home theaters also. Now, moving on to the AC, we can actually turn it off, turn it on, control the temperature and schedule the temperature accordingly through the Zemote app. As I turn on the AC, I want to turn the temperature to 18. So I'm going to do it from here. Now as you can see, the temperature is at 18. And now if I want to shut it down, so I can simply press the off button and it's turned off. So Zemote's power module allows you to control all of the heavy appliances like AC, geyser, water motor at your home. Zemote's power module helps you keep a track of electric consumptions of these appliances. So as discussed, all of the features that I mentioned in the retro part of it, all of it is available on Zemote touch switches, but with more features added to it. Let's get into the range and features of these Zemote touch switches. First of all, let me introduce you to the 4 types of touch switch finishes that are glass, wood, stone and polycarbonate. Polycarbonate is nothing but a better version of plastic. So, and you can customize it in any 4 different colors that you want. For the glass touch switches, these are available in 2 colors, black and white, and these are toughened and tempered glass. Moving on to the wood finish, we have it in brown and light finishes, and you can also get your custom wood finish. So now if we come to the stone part of it, there is two color available, grey and white, which is, this one is marble and this one is Korean. All of these switches are available in 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 module sizes. Also have different border options that you can customize as per your liking, whether it be white on black, black on white, gold and black, whatever you like. Now let's list down the various features of Zemote touch switches. First we have adaptive backlighting, which adjusts automatically according to the ambience of the room. Second we have night mode. If the room is completely dark and it's the night time, the Zemote backlighting will automatically switch off. And then third we come to customizable backlighting, which is available on your app. You can customize it to any color, whether you want purple, red, blue, green, yellow, etc. Also, the touch sensitivity of these switches can be adjusted on the app as per your liking. Now, one of the most Indian features that our touch switch have is the clean mode. You can actually activate the clean mode on it and then clean with a wet cloth, and it won't get affected in any way. Icons and text on these touch switches are completely your choice. They are completely customizable. We can give you suggestions, but whatever you want can go on them. And these switches are completely modular. All of this, there are two major USPs that I have to tell you is that there is no additional rewiring required whatsoever, and there is 5-year warranty, replacement guarantee that you'll get on all of our products. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any inquiry, you can reach out to us at any time.